Doing everything that I believe in, going by the rules that I've been told, more understanding of what's around me, and protected from the walls of love. All that you see is me, and all I truly believe try.